iPhone 6 6s home button replacement repair fix. Basically you can do with the 6 Plus and 6s Plus as well. To start with, open up the bottom screws. Once they're out, gently pick the LCD up. Once the LCD up, basically open this up. There's the home button connection. Gently remove the home button connection. It's completely broken. Home button, a new replacement. So the home button will start work basically, but the fingerprint sensor, the finger ID, will not work on this phone because it's only paired with your genuine screen. So that will be it. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just install, set that one in there. So gently clips that in the home button and then check the home button if it's working fine. Yeah, it is. So now we will be going ahead to install the back metal plate on it. So there we go, the first screw basically, and the second one. Just put nicely the LCD back all and install the bottom screws, and job done. About in 2 minutes or so, and it will just cost you about 3 to 4 quid. You can change that up if you change it at home by yourself rather than paying 20-25 pound in a shop.